How to know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can know that if people have viewed your featured collection in your Facebook. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Then tap onto your profile on your top right. Under menu, tap onto your name. Then scroll below. Under details, you will see your featured photos. All you have to do is tap on the photo. On your bottom left, you will see all the people that have viewed your featured collection. Simply tap on the bottom left, and the name of the people that has viewed your featured collection within 14 days will be appeared here. Also be noted that after 14 days, you cannot see who viewed your story unless they have interacted with it. Just like so, this is how you can know it. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.